Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by creating the space and permissions, make a #garden updates channel, and assign a gardener's role right away. Once done, set channel notification overrides so members receive all messages or it mentions depending on their preference. You want the mobile push enabled and desktop badges active. This ensures you won't miss watering times or harvest alerts. Make sure role mention permission is on, then save changes. This establishes the backbone for timely, reliable garden alerts across devices. Next, you automate. Integrate your watering sensors, calendar, or garden app with a Discord webhook to push structured alerts. You configure a bot to send scheduled reminders, set cron-like timing for watering, fertilizing, and harvesting. Once configured, map each event to a role ping, for example, at gardeners for watering, at harvest for pick days. Make messages concise. Time, action, and one emoji to reduce notification fatigue. Test a few alerts and iterate until timing and wording feel natural and useful. Finally, you perform thorough testing. Send test alerts and confirm delivery on desktop and mobile accounts. If a notification fails, inspect the webhook URL, bot token, and channel permission overrides. Make sure the bot can send messages and mention roles. Once working, refine frequency. Add quiet hours or daily summary digests to prevent overload. If members still miss things, advise they check their personal notification settings and do not disturb modes. One quick troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.